DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
This is desert dust. It's pretty cool. .180 mesh. Research grade. Look at the way it flows. Looks really cool under a microscope. Some really fine stuff. Here we go again. Here's my brush. That's pretty amazing. There's the mountain of it. Mount Dust. Well, you get the idea. Yeah, Catherine the Great of Russia. Catherine the Great of Russia. Okay, this is a block of silicone. Let's add some super glue. We gotta let this set up, and then we'll see what we get. Let's bag it. .180 mesh. If I had a microscope, I could show you guys pictures of what it looks like under a microscope. But I imagine it looks pretty fucking amazing. Desert dust. A makeup brush here. Makeup brushes are good for a lot of stuff. Pretty fucking cool. But I'm gonna guess this is about 10 ounces maybe. Let's get the air out. And there you go. Let's see what happened to this stuff. The desert dust. Get that out of there. I wonder if it'll come out. Oh, looks like that super glue didn't penetrate very far. It only penetrated to the top. I have to redo that. Yeah, it didn't penetrate very far at all. I put a lot of super glue on that. Oh well, I was hoping I'd get a little pyramid. Okay, well maybe put the super glue on first and then put the desert dust on. Anyway, it does form something pretty hard. I'm gonna break this one. Wow, that is hard. That is tough. So super glue and desert dust does create something pretty hard. Okay, that's it.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.